How to change the Instagram currency. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Go ahead and click on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. With that, you will land to the settings and activity page. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Under your orders and fundraiser section, you will find the option of orders and payments. Go ahead and open that option. Now click on this option of payment methods. Click on the option of add payment. Select any of the option that is suitable for you. Now you have to provide your payment details, and over here you will find the section of country. Set the country based on the currency that you want to use for your Instagram account. Now you can fill this and click on save. With that, your Instagram currency will be updated. Well, this way you can easily change the Instagram currency. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.